In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Let Me Read It First option on Beehiiv in 25 using some easy steps. Whether you're new to Beehiiv or just looking to refine your approach, follow along as I guide you through each step in detail, ensuring a smooth transition for your website. Let's kick things off by heading to your Beehiiv dashboard. If you're not familiar, the dashboard is your main hub, providing easy access to various features and settings for your website. Look over to the left panel and click on Design. This button will open up additional options, and what you're looking for here is the website builder. Clicking on it should bring up the builder interface, which is essentially the toolbox for all your website's structural changes. You'll notice that the website builder defaults to the home page. We need to make a quick switch to focus on a different area, so click on the Layout tab. Once you've done that, locate Sign Up Page in the list of options. The Sign Up Page is crucial as it's often the entry portal for new subscribers, and some changes here can significantly affect user experience. Now that you're on the Sign Up Page layout, look for the Hero section. This is often the first thing visitors see, so it typically contains key information and links. Once you find it, give it a click. In the Hero section, start scrolling down until you spot the Redirect Link toggle. This option dictates whether users are redirected upon signing up or if they see the Let Me Read It First option. We're focusing on altering this setting today. Once you locate the redirect link, click on Style, which will show more options. You'll see a toggle that's currently switched on. To remove the Let Me Read It First button or link from the Hero section, simply toggle it off. This change ensures a more streamlined user experience, eliminating any unnecessary steps for visitors and guiding them smoothly through the sign-up process. Now here's a helpful tip to keep in mind: you don't need to worry about manually saving these changes. Beehiiv has an automatic save feature, so any adjustments you make are stored immediately, freeing you from the stress of potentially losing work. And just like that, you've successfully removed the Let Me Read It First option from your Beehiiv sign-up page. This modification not only declutters your sign-up process, but also aligns it more closely with streamlined user experiences that tend to convert better. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough of removing the Let Me Read It First option on Beehiiv in 2025 both easy to follow and implement. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.